Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry and I like to buy stuff, and you found Terry Buys Stuff. And today we're gonna be talking about a small little camera with a powerful punch at a price point, $24.95. This thing provides a lot of home security for a very little cost. We're talking about the Wyze Cam. So I picked this up off Amazon. And like I said, that price point, $25, it's pretty amazing. So let's take a look at some of the details and features on this. This cam detects sound and motion, and you can view it up to 14 days free in the app. So we're gonna download the app and open this up. It's got 1080p full HD, two-way audio, and motion detection. It also has night vision, 14 days the free cloud recordings, and 8 times digital zoom. Now, I already have a home security system in my home, and I just wanted one extra camera for a special place. So when I saw this, actually my husband found this and he's like, we gotta try this. The reviews on this look really good. There is a spot in here where I'm gonna be able to put in a micro SD card. It's recommending 32 gig, but I've seen others that have done like larger cards in there because they wanna hold a lot more data in their camera. So let's crack this open. Again, I got this on Amazon.com, so pretty affordable. Okay, so opening this up. You know what I find interesting? This company, Wyze Labs, is in Kirkland, Washington. This is an American-made product. It feels kind of heavy already, like it's got some weight to it, which is a good thing. It doesn't feel cheap. Okay, so here's the little camera, but the weight's under here. I bet it's the power source. Let's check. Here we go. So what we have here is another little box. Oh, yep, that's what I thought. Oh, it's a magnet. Okay, so this is for mounting some 3M double adhesive tape. Very nicely packaged cord. This is USB to micro. This is like the Android connection. Got some, here you go. Okay, and that's all of it. This is the power block. So let's take a look here. Now I downloaded the Wyze app onto my phone. I have Samsung. Of course, you guys all know I'm a huge fan of Samsung. This seems like a nice cord. I think this is probably 6 feet. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna plug that in to there. And I'm going to open this. Wow, kind of futuristic looking little box. Normally I have the typical cameras in my house, but this I do not have. Wyze Cam V2. Here it is. I'm gonna carefully take off this packaging. Well, this is interesting. It's just, bam, camera. Speaker in the back. USB and the micro USB. So you can kind of see that. So this becomes a two-way communicator. Oh, something magical. Hold on. Oh, there it is. Okay, look. So this can mount, I believe what we're going for here is if we wanted to mount it with the metal. Oh yeah. So you'd have that sticky on the wall or wherever you're gonna do it. Mount it on the metal, and there's our camera. Tilt. Oh, side to side. It's got full motion here. Oh, it's really cute. So we can go with that route, but I'm thinking about putting this camera outside. So let me pull in the wall mount bracket. I got this Vera. It's a perfect fit, high quality, better protection, easy to install, clear design, height, angle, adjustable, completely wide view, rainproof, and dustproof. So We need this extra little housing here so it can be outside and not get wet. So what I want to do is I want to just turn this thing on and look at it on the phone. I think it would be kind of fun to, we don't have it mounted yet, like I'm just opening it now for you, but it would be fun to go put it outside, take a look around the backyard and see what we can see at night. We can also, you know, look through it here. We have almost daylight with the studio lights, but let's hook this thing up and see what we got. Okay, I have a QR code on the Wyze Cam and I'm going to take the cam and scan it.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
It says it's connecting and it can take 146 seconds.
Setup completed.
Or not. Okay, so I can name my device. Look at this nice nice format. Very nice app. So I'm gonna name it something I like. There we go. Finish setup. Congratulations, I've earned a badge. It said I've earned a Wyze Cam badge. Okay, don't know what that gets me, but woohoo! Okay, so it's on and it's outside. So I am going to take this and actually point it back at me. As any new product you buy, it says, hold on, there's an upgrade. So hang tight, I'll be right back. We're upgrading the software. This could take a minute. Okay guys, so I did the firmware update and I don't know if this will wind up being that, oh yeah, it'll probably wind up being that two-way mirror where you keep seeing yourself forever. Can you see that? See that? Ooh, there it is. Okay, so it follows me, which is very interesting. I'm just gonna set this here for a minute and actually move out of the pan and we should see that green box. So it's following me, it's recording that movement. Now, I was talking to the mister and he was saying that this company's releasing technology that it can get to know the people of the house and it won't record when it sees our face. Like they're working on something for facial recognition. So I definitely need to dig more into that. But you can see it's not a bad picture. Not a bad picture at all. And I can zoom in. Oh, look, I can zoom in. Hold on, I'm gonna zoom in kind of big on my face. There's me, hi. So I think that's pretty cool. And what I want to do is see what it looks like in the dark. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move it outside and I'm gonna put it in the backyard and let's take a look and see what we see. Okay guys, I'm gonna go walk outside in front of this. You can see it's dark. Hopefully this stays on for you and let's see what we can see. So what'd you see? Was it good? So where I'm gonna mount this, I do have light. So hold on, let me turn on the outside light. What does that do? Makes it a little better, I think. Yeah. Let me see. Oh yeah. So, guys, again, it's a $25 camera. Until I decide, you know, that I want to invest more into more cameras for my home security system where I pay for the monitoring, you know, I pay for the guard to come first or police right away if you hit it's an emergency. This is just a nice enhancement, extra place to have cameras, outside mounting bracket, Wyze Cam, 25 bucks, Amazon.com. I really don't think you can beat it. So I think it's something for you to check out. And oh, the cool thing on the back, that USB part is so you can connect multiple cameras. So like, let's say you were gonna put it on your garage, you could have a camera here, and do 2 different angles. Living in Las Vegas, security is important. You know, this is a great city, but just like every other large city, it does have crime. So I think having cameras, having awareness, you know, if something happens to a neighbor, maybe my cameras pick up something that happened to them, more than happy to help. So Wyze Cam, guys, Amazon.com, 1080p, The biggest value in this though, the free 14-day storage in the cloud. You can't beat that, because that you normally have to pay, like if you do Ring doorbell, if you maybe do ADT or another big company. You know, normally those services, they're like 30 bucks a month. I know my service is up there. So just an enhancement. And the other cool thing is, what I'm going to check is to see is if, I know this works with Alexa. So if you have like the Amazon, oh no, stop. If you have the Amazon camera one, the Echo Show, there you go. So I believe I will be able to see this camera through my portal from, is that muted? Yep, my portal from Facebook. I get too many devices. I'm talking to my Google dude, I'm talking to my portal, I'm talking to Amazon. There's just, so much going on. But, so lots of things to find out. Hey, 25 bucks you guys, bam. Terry Buys Stuff, big thumbs up. And if you're liking the videos, hey, give me the big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and you'll be reminded of more shopping fun. I always try to find you guys products of value. I'm all about prestige brands. I'm all about name brands. You know what? But this is an American-made company, and I think it's gonna be something that I really need to check out and do a little more investigation. Really like it when I'm seeing when that light is on, and even in the dark, it's not so bad. So thanks for watching today, guys. I love you for being here, and I appreciate you. And we will see you right here at Terry Buys Stuff on the next round. Till then, guys, bye.